Vidamuyarchi Tamil movie summary. Arjun and Kayal are a Tamil couple living in Baku, Azerbaijan. Their 12-year-long marriage has reached a breaking point as Kayal has filed for divorce. The story flashes back to the beginning of their relationship. Arjun and Kayal met during a vacation in Tbilisi, Georgia, where Kayal was born. They fell in love and eventually got married. They shared a loving and romantic marriage until Kayal, who was pregnant at the time, suffered a miscarriage due to an accident. The accident left Kayal infertile, which caused her to fall into depression and grow emotionally distant from Arjun. Over time, the strain between them deepened, causing their love to fade. Arjun, a kind-hearted and successful man, tries to persuade Kayal to stay in the marriage. However, Kayal confesses that she has been having an affair with another man named Prakash. Despite his attempts, he reluctantly agrees and appreciates her honesty. He offers to drive Kayal to her parents' home in Tbilisi as a farewell gesture. Kayal, initially unwilling to, agrees after Arjun insists. Back to the present, their car, a Lexus LX, nearly crashes into a Hummer Ichmudu carrying a group of drunk young men. While on their way, Michael, the driver of the Hummer, flips off Arjun and Kayal before driving away. Later at a gas station, while Arjun is hauling the car, Kayal encounters another Tamil couple, Deepika and Rakshit, inside the convenience store at the gas station and befriends them. Deepika and Rakshit claim to be truck drivers. The Hummer appears again at the gas station, and tension rises between Michael and Arjun, but Arjun and Kayal leave before the situation escalates. Further down the road, Arjun encounters an unexpected pre-collision malfunction in his car, prompting it to break down. While Arjun is trying to fix it, the Hummer drives past them again, and one of the men throws a beer bottle at them. Arjun and Kayal remain calm and don't react. However, they notice the Hummer turning back toward them. Feeling threatened, Kayal notices Deepika and Rakshita's truck as it approaches from behind and flags them down. The Hummer drives off after seeing that Arjun and Kayal now have company. Deepika and Rakshit fail to fix the car but offer to drive Kayal to a nearby cafe, where she can call for a tow truck, considering the fact that the area has no cell signal, and wait for Arjun, to which Kayal agrees. A while after Kayal leaves with Rakshita's truck, Arjun finds a loose wire inside the car's hood that has been unplugged on purpose, which he fixes it and moves on. He drives to the cafe to pick up Kayal, but she's not there. The cafe owner and customers claim they never saw her. Confused and worried, Arjun drives toward the next town, hoping to find her. On the way, he spots Rakshita's truck and catches up to ask about Kayal. To his surprise, Rakshit denies knowing Kayal or having seen Arjun before, claiming himself to be Dheeraj. Suspecting foul play, Arjun accuses Rakshit of kidnapping Kayal, leading to a confrontation. A police officer arrives and searches Rakshita's truck but finds nothing suspicious. Rakshita's ID also checks out. The officer advises Arjun to file a case at the police station, which he does but finds it useless. Arjun returns to the cafe, where Nikhil, a mentally impaired man, claims he saw Kayal being kidnapped and taken away by another truck. He also claims that the police are involved in the kidnapping. The man points Arjun toward the direction of the truck. Arjun follows the lead but is attacked and knocked unconscious. Arjun wakes up to find himself surrounded by Rakshita's gang, including Deepika, Michael, and Nikhil, who feigned mental impairment earlier, who is revealed to be part of the gang. They claim that Kayal planned the whole thing and hired them to kill Arjun. They offer Arjun a deal: if he pays them more than Kayal did, they will kill Kayal instead. Arjun refuses to believe them. The gang makes a new offer: Arjun can pay a large sum of money to let both of them go. They reveal that they are former murderers with antisocial personality disorder who escaped from a mental asylum in Tbilisi. Arjun reluctantly agrees and goes to a nearby bank to withdraw the money. While at the bank, he spots a souvenir knife on the manager's desk and secretly takes it. After withdrawing the money, Michael picks him up and drives him toward Rakshita's hideout, where Kayal is being held. On the way, Arjun attacks Michael and his men with the knife, brutally wounding two of them and Michael as well. Arjun holds Michael captive, prompting him to reveal Rakshita's whereabouts. The police officer from earlier spots the fight, unaware of the situation. The officer tries to shoot Arjun but is instead shot by Michael, who then escapes. Arjun saves the officer and takes his car to track down Kayal. Meanwhile, Deepika tries to manipulate Kayal with the same trick they used on Arjun, claiming that Arjun hired them to kill her because he is having an affair with one of her friends, Anu. They offer Kayal the chance to kill Arjun if she pays more than Arjun did and as well as test Prakash's loyalty towards her. But Kayal, like Arjun, refuses to believe them. Arjun tracks down Rakshita's hideout and attacks the gang one by one. He encounters Michael and tries to fight him off. Deepika also tries to back down Arjun, but in an accident kills Michael after having his face down towards the rotary saw. Enraged, she tries to kill him using a cloth, however both accidentally slip and break into a window inside the hideout, where Arjun lands with little to no injuries but Deepika having her face corroded after falling into a vat of acid. Rakshit finds her after hearing her cries and comforts her as she dies. Rakshit, deeply saddened by his loss, fights with Arjun while initially gaining the upper hand. However, Arjun captures him with a hook, placing him above an industrial shredder. Arjun pleads him to reveal Kayal's whereabouts in return for his life, while also not revealing anything to the police. Despite this, Rakshit does not care and takes his own life after purposefully falling himself down into the shredder, crushing him to his death, and leaving Arjun devastated and clueless. Just as all hopes were thought to be lost, Arjun notices two dogs sniffing and digging at a rubble for too long. Curious, he clears the rocks and finds a hidden bunker and goes down. There he finds a dead body covered with wrap of bandaged completely, to which he assumed it to be Kayal and cries hysterically. The police and mental asylum officers arrive at the scene. The doctor reveals that Rakshita's gang has been running a human trafficking operation for a span of 10 years with more than 48 bodies. Their scheme involved kidnapping couples, extorting money from both the husband and wife using psychological manipulation, and ultimately killing the husband. The wife would then be forced into plastic surgery and sold to the mafia, where some die during the surgery with their body disposed into acid vats, while other victims have their whereabouts still uncertain. It is also revealed that Kayal is still alive after Arjun noticing her unconscious body lying nearby inside the bunker. When Kayal asks the doctor about Anu's involvement, he replies that Anu was the gang's initial target when Deepika met her at a gym. However, they switched to Kayal after knowing Arjun's wealth, while also saying that Arjun had saved her from a fate worse than hell. Arjun continues driving and finally drops off Kayal to her parents' home, where she tearfully reunites with her parents and Anu. As Arjun was about to leave, Kayal asks why he had risked his life to save her despite her betrayal, affair and filing for divorce, to which he replies that he still loves her. They later both tearfully and happily reconcile.